Here we've got SONY Xperia 1, and let me show you how to change the date and time on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select System, and here go to date and time. And you can either have automatic date and time, or you can turn off this feature, and now you can smoothly set date and time manually by yourself. So from now on, it's up to you what date and time it currently is. You can also switch off automatic time zone. To turn it off, just tap on this indicator, and then you can select time zone from the list right here. So at first, just pick the region, and then time zone if available. And also you can change the format of your clock. You can use either 24-hour format clock, or you can turn it off and have 12-hour format clock. So this is it. This is how you can change date and time in your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.